What is the story setting? The story setting is in California in the 1930s. Describe George. Small, intelligent, short-tempered but a loving and devoted friend, complains that taking care of Lenny makes his life much harder, terse and impatient at times, but he never strays from his primary purpose of protecting Lenny. Describe Lenny. Describe Candy. Old handyman, only one useful hand, has an old dog, the Swamper. Describe Curly. Boss's son, married only 2 weeks and is a boxer, becomes increasingly meaner throughout story. Describe Curly's wife. Considered a troublemaker, temptress, she doesn't like her life, preys on other people's weaknesses like Lenny, Candy, and Crooks. Describe Crooks. Lively, sharp-witted African-American stable hand, his crooked back, lonely, mistreated, negative, bitter, wants to join men on their dream farm. What do nearly all of the characters, including George, Lenny, Candy, Crooks, and Curly's wife, admit at one time or another? At one time or another, almost all of the characters admitted to having a profound sense of loneliness and isolation. Each desires the comfort of a friend but will settle for the attentive ear of a stranger. What do almost all of the characters in this story dream about? Almost all of the characters of this story dream about having a different life. How does George characterize Curly's wife? He sees her as a troublemaker and as no good. How does Lenny characterize Curly's wife? Lenny thinks she is pretty, and George warns Lenny to stay away from her. What does the dream farm symbolize? The dream farm symbolizes a free and peaceful life. It represents the possibility of freedom, self-reliance, and protection from the cruelties of the world. What is the name of the town from which George and Lenny are fleeing when the story opens? Weed, California. What excites Lenny most about his dream life with George? Tending to the rabbits is what excites Lenny most about his dream life with George. Why is Candy unable to imagine getting rid of his old dog? Candy is unable to imagine getting rid of his old dog because he has had him since he was a puppy and they are each other's family. Why does Carlson insist on shooting Candy's dog? Carlson insists on shooting Candy's dog because Carlson believes the dog is too smelly, old, and decrepit. What is Old Susie's place? A cattle saloon. Who discovers Curly's dead wife? Candy. Who cared for Lenny before George? Lenny's Aunt Clara. Of Mice and Men is set in which decade? 1930s. What does Curly's wife offer to let Lenny touch? Her hair. To whom does Candy look for advice before allowing Carlson to shoot his dog, and this person decided the dog's fate? Slim. How did Crooks get his name? He has a crooked back. Before George meets Lenny in the woods in the final scene, what does he take? Carlson's Luger pistol. What does George say to Lenny before shooting him? He tells Lenny the story of their farm. After killing Curly's wife, which of the following pairs does Lenny imagine appears to chastise his behavior? Aunt Clara and the giant rabbit. Whom do Lenny and George agree to let live on their farm? Candy. Disappointed with her life, Curly's wife wonders where she would be if she had followed her dreams and become what? A movie star. What does live off the fat of the land mean? The men will have their own place and provide for themselves using their garden and animals. They won't need to rely on others in order to live. Describe Slim. He is the prince of the ranch, the person everyone listens to and respects. He is more of a boss to the men and his word is gold, ageless. described Carlson. Powerful, big-stomach man worker on the ranch. He doesn't like Candy's dog and wants the dog gone. Shoots Candy's dog, has the gun. What are 4 lies George tells when arriving on the ranch? He and Lenny are cousins. Lenny got kicked in the head by a horse. The job in wit was finished. The bus let them off 10 miles out. What does Lenny want on his beans? Ketchup. In Chapter 1, what does Lenny have in his pocket? A dead mouse. What game do all the men play outside the bunkhouse? Horseshoes. Who is the first person George and Lenny meet on the ranch? Candy. How many puppies did Slim's dog have? 9. How many dogs did Slim drown? 4. What does Slim give to Lenny? A brown and white puppy. Where did Curly and his wife meet? At a dance. Which 4 main characters appear in Chapter 4? Crooks, Lenny, Candy, Curly's wife. What happened to Candy's hand? He got it caught in a machine on the ranch. How do George, Lenny, and Candy think they can actually fulfill their dream? Candy got $250 for being injured on the farm, and if they combine all their monthly earnings, they can get the farm from the old couple who need to sell it to pay for an operation. Where was George in Chapter 4 when Lenny was in Crooks's room? In town. Where was George when Lenny killed the puppy and Curly's wife? Playing horseshoes. With whom does Lenny fight and what happens to that person? Curly starts picking on Lenny and Lenny ends up crushing his hand. What is Curly supposed to say happened to his hand when people asked? That he got it caught in a machine. Where does Crooks live? In the barn, his own room next to the animals. Who is the 4th person that wants to help out on the new farm when Lenny, George, and Candy secure the land? Crooks. Who finds Lenny and the dead puppy in the barn? Curly's wife. What happened in Weed? Lenny grabbed a girl's dress. She said he hurt her and the guys run them off the land. Who wrote of Mice and Men? John Steinbeck. Where was Steinbeck born? Salinas, California. Where did he go to school, college? Stanford University. How many wives did he have? 3. How many kids did Steinbeck have? 2. What are Steinbeck's wives' names? Carol, Gwendolyn, Elaine. What are Steinbeck's kids' names? Thomas and John. Who was Steinbeck's best friend? What does he do for a living? Ed Ricketts, marine biologist. What is Steinbeck's dog's name? Charlie. Where did Steinbeck's life end? New York. For which novel did Steinbeck win the Pulitzer Prize? The Grapes of Wrath. What job did Steinbeck have in WWII? War correspondent. What is another award that Steinbeck won other than the Pulitzer Prize? Nobel Prize. Where does the Book of Mice and Men start? A few miles south of Soledad by the Salinas River.